In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. Verifying your domain tells Google that you're the rightful owner, unlocking insights and tools that help your site get discovered. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, open Google Search Console and sign in with the Google account you use to manage your site. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check you're in the right one to avoid creating properties under the wrong profile. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top left sidebar and click the plus icon labeled Add Property. This is where you'll create a new property for your site. You'll see two options, and we're going to use the domain field on the left. In that box, type your root domain exactly like yourdomain.com without HTTP, HTTPS, or any slashes. Keep it clean, no www, no subfolders, just the core domain. This choice covers every version of your site, including subdomains and both HTTP and HTTPS, so you have everything in one place. When you're ready, click Continue. Google Search Console will now try to detect your domain host. Because your domain is registered with GoDaddy, you should see a prompt that says Start Verification or Connect. This is Google offering to verify ownership automatically through GoDaddy, which saves you from manually adding DNS records. Go ahead and click the button to continue. A secure GoDaddy window will open, asking you to sign in and confirm that Google can connect to your domain settings for verification. Log into your GoDaddy account and click Connect or Authorize to grant access. This permission allows Google to add a verification token behind the scenes. It does not change your website content or hosting. Its only purpose is to confirm ownership. After you authorize, return to the Google Search Console window. Google will run the verification immediately. In most cases, the confirmation is instant because the connection with GoDaddy updates DNS for you. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Once you see the ownership verified message, you're done. Your domain is now recognized in Search Console and ready to collect performance data. That's all there is to it. You signed in, added a domain property, entered your root domain, connected through the GoDaddy prompt, and authorized the verification. If the connect window didn't appear, make sure you type the domain correctly and that you're using the GoDaddy account that owns it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the insights you'll unlock with Google Search Console.